What's up, guys? Welcome to Unmarried, Single, and Childless. Okay, my bad. Welcome to the road. I forgot I changed the name. Hey guys, my name is LaQuanta McIntyre. Welcome to the Solo Woman Collective, guys. The space that I wish I had when I was falling apart and calling it love. Today, I want to just talk to my unmarried, single, and childless women in particular. I'm talking to my ladies today. So if you are a married man, please click off of the video. Okay? If you're a man in general that just want to come on the video just to talk trash, please click off the video. This is not for you. Okay? Bye. Anyway, so to all my unmarried, single, and childless women, and I'm not gonna make this video long at all. Okay, so today's video is inspired by a video that I just got done watching. I'm gonna link the video below. I wanted to remix it, but I'm just gonna link it below. This video was about single moms that are crashing out. I love her channel because she does a collage of different perspectives, and she gives her commentary at the end. Now, this particular video, guys, was such a wake-up call for me. It was a huge wake-up call for me, including a couple of one of her videos that she did, okay? So I am in a season, guys, where I love where I am. I love myself, you know, the woman I am, the woman that I'm becoming. My life is great in general. There is no complaints. However, I am human. So from time to time, I do get, my thoughts sometimes like, Lord, when is the man for me gonna come my way? You know what I'm saying? I have options, but it's hard when you got boundaries. Okay, let's just put it like that. Okay. So we got options, but we got boundaries at the same time. All right. So anywho, I find myself from time to time just like really getting deep into my thoughts about that, and today and last night was one of those days. I swear for God, it must have been God that put this video in my algorithm, because y'all, after watching this video, it just made me feel good all over again. Okay. I am unmarried, single, and childless, and I am unapologetic about it. I am completely fine about it. I don't know if that is the trajectory of my life, but Lord knows if it ain't the right situation that's coming towards me, I am not looking to change that status. If it's not the right fit for me, I am completely peaceful with being unmarried, single, and childless. Okay. I am in one of my previous videos, I actually did a lot of videos about being unmarried, single, and childless, and why people need to mind their own business. Because when you don't mind your business, it's giving that you hate your own life. Let us live our lives and you live yours. Because you don't see us out here hating on married people with kids. Do you see me talking about that, talking down in their comments about why you should hate your marriage and why you should hate having kids? No, I stay in my own lane because I am completely fine with where I am. So why should I have to worry about what you got going on? But no, you got a lot of haters, particularly men. Men in particular are the ones who are in the comment section with women who are unmarried, single, childless, and don't mind and love it. Some of us want to keep it like that forever. Okay, I see a lot of women who say, hey, this is life for me. I don't want to get married. I don't want to have no kids. That is their prerogative. So it tripped me out when you got men out here who want to complain about birth rates are down and upset because women are not wanting to have kids or get married to them. But you're not doing anything to change our minds. Every time you jump up in the comment section and you say rude things that just don't make any sense or don't even pertain to you, it is all the more reason why we choose ourselves, because the obvious, okay? So looking at that video, y'all, my heart goes out to any single woman who has to raise children on their own. Period. Because I have single women women around me who are single and raising kids on their own. And I know how hard it could be. I know how hard it could be. I cannot relate because that is not me, but I understand that that is hard to go through. And I almost put myself in their shoes. Once upon a time, I don't feel like I empathize with them enough. But now I really do. Now I really do. It's something that came over me. And then that video was a huge wake-up call for me. I was like, wow, Lord. You know, like, wow. And it trips me out because looking at that video in particular, these women are the ones who's getting bashed for being single moms, but y'all not saying nothing to the men that put them in those predicaments. What about the men that made them single moms? Why we don't hear about the deadbeat daddy epidemic? Why we don't hear about how he got scared and left the home, or he mad because she don't want to be with him anymore, so he won't do nothing for his kids anymore? Or he married her and found somebody else, got bored with her, so found somebody else and decided to leave the home, making her a single mom. Why y'all don't talk about that? Y'all always want to talk about how a woman needs to learn how to choose better. I'm not refuting that whatsoever. However, if you're going to get on one side, you need to get on the other side too. You need to be talking to both parties, okay? So again, I'm not going to make this video long, but I come to say, if you are an unmarried, single, and childless woman, do not let bitter men make you feel like you're no good, you're falling behind. Specifically, if you're an older, unmarried, single, and childless woman. Don't make a man make you feel like that you are not, that you're lying about being happy, or you're just fronting and you're just putting a front up for how you feel. No, because there are too many stories out here of men flipping on women. And that is why we choose to stay the way we are. I refuse to put myself in that particular situation. I refuse. And that is why, if you are a woman who is unmarried, single, and childless, and you do desire marriage one day, you do desire kids one day, please move in discernment. Please do not move out of desperation. And if you can, please get married. That is not to say that's going to make the situation perfect, but it gives you a better chance at having a successful successful home for your child. Okay. But in the meantime, if you are a woman who does not want any of those things, do not feel bad, because your worth is not tied to a man or a child. We are in a new day and age. A lot of our grandmas and our moms had all of those children because they did it out of survival. They did it out of fear. They did it because that's what they were told they were supposed to do. A lot of them couldn't go to work, so they had to stay home to raise the kids. They had to. It's just certain things that were expected out of you as a woman. That is before women had the opportunity to become who we are today. Now we are no longer underneath a man's wing. We make our own money. A lot of us are smarter. A lot of us work harder. Our identity is not tied to our womb. It's nice to have, but that is not all that we are. And again, it makes it a lot easier not to have a child when you hear stories like what I just described. The patriarchy system is out of hand, and I am so sick of it. I am so sick of it. Again, it is none of your business if a woman chooses to be unmarried, stay unmarried, single, and childless. You can't convince her to do anything. If that woman ain't your get down, Go to the next woman that wants to have your baby, that doesn't mind having sex with you and letting you impregnate her, because there's plenty of those women. Anyways, y'all, I hope you got the message. This was an empowerment video mostly for us women out here who are thriving in our singleness, and us older women who's okay in our childlessness. We're okay with it. Trust and believe we are okay with it. Don't let men make you feel like it's society against you. It's them. It's them. It's their way of wanting to keep you up underneath them. They want to impregnate you so they can leave you and keep you stuck taking care of kids, and basically so you can't live a life, a fruitful, beautiful, peaceful life that you deserve. Don't fall for it. Do not fall for it. Anyways, if this video resonated with you, please hit the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.